Welcome to the Photoshop channel.
Photoshop's YouTube channel.
This is the Photoshop Creator Games. Myself and a few other digital artists will be competing head-to-head
To edit the same image and see who you like best.
We're in Adobe Photoshop, so let's have a bit of fun with it.
My name is Kolo. I am an artist, filmmaker.
I'm Amanda. I'm a photographer/videographer. I'm Mad Sal. I've been using Photoshop for about 15 years.
My name is Erwin Marionneaux. I'm primarily a filmmaker and photographer.
The rules are, this must be an original composition. Using different Adobe Photoshop features, there must be 12 layers.
But the catch is, we only have an hour.
Whatever else I do is up to me.
In a moment, I'm going to go face my fear, and in 1 hour, fully conceptualize and create a drawing for your entertainment.
Oh my god, what am I gonna do with this?
I'm just going to use the pen tool to select around.
I'm creating a whole new foreground for this image.
It's a personal journey that involves learning how to be playful and free. And that being said, all you other creators are going down. I'm winning this thing.
I'm about to blow your composition out of the water.
I was able to do this drastic of a difference in Photoshop.
I really like it. I can't wait to see what the other creators make.
Let the games begin.